far beyond Earth, past the rocky planets, and deep into the outer solar system. A giant world floats in silence, a world surrounded by shimmering rings, stretching across space like a cosmic halo. This is Saturn, the most visually stunning planet in our solar system. But what exactly are these rings? Where did they come from? And why does Saturn have them, while most other planets do not? When early astronomers first observed Saturn through telescopes, they were confused. The famous scientist Galileo Galilei once described them as ears or handles on the planet. It wasn't until later that astronomers realized Saturn wasn't alone. It was surrounded by rings. Saturn's rings may look solid from a distance, but they are anything but. They are made of billions, possibly trillions, of tiny pieces. These range in size from microscopic dust grains to chunks as large as mountains, and most of them are made of one key ingredient: ice, water ice to be exact, mixed with rock and dust. The reason Saturn's rings look so bright and beautiful is because of that ice. Ice reflects sunlight extremely well. So when sunlight hits the rings, it bounces off in all directions, creating that glowing golden appearance we see from afar. Saturn doesn't have just one ring, it has many. These rings are divided into sections, known as a ring, B ring, C ring, each with its own structure, density, and composition. Some are thick and bright, others are faint and almost invisible. Saturn's rings are not static. They are constantly moving. Each particle orbits Saturn at incredible speeds, tens of thousands of kilometers per hour. Yet somehow, they rarely collide. And when they do, the impacts are gentle, thanks to their icy nature. Saturn is surrounded by dozens of moons. Some of these moons play a crucial role in shaping the rings. They are known as shepherd moons. Their gravity helps keep the rings in place, guiding and sculpting them into distinct bands. One famous example is Enceladus, which even sprays ice particles into space, feeding Saturn's rings. The origin of Saturn's rings is still a mystery, but scientists have a few leading theories. One idea suggests that long ago, a moon or comet came too close to Saturn. The planet's powerful gravity tore it apart. This process is known as tidal disruption. The debris from that event spread out, forming the rings we see today. Gravity plays a key role in everything. Saturn's massive gravitational pull keeps the ring particles in orbit. At the same time, gravitational interactions between particles create waves, ripples, and gaps. It's like a giant cosmic dance, controlled by invisible forces. Surprisingly, Saturn's rings may not last forever. Scientists believe they are relatively young, possibly only a few 100 million years old. Over time, particles slowly fall into Saturn or drift away into space. One day, the rings may disappear completely. Much of what we know about Saturn comes from space missions. One of the most important was Cassini-Huygens. For over a decade, it orbited Saturn, sending back breathtaking images and valuable data, revealing details of the rings like never before. Cassini discovered that Saturn's rings behave in fascinating ways. They contain waves, spirals, and even structures caused by tiny gravitational disturbances. These patterns help scientists understand not just Saturn, but how disks of material behave throughout the universe. Saturn isn't the only planet with rings. Jupiter, Uranus, and Neptune also have them, but their rings are faint and much less visible. Saturn's rings stand out because of their size, brightness, and the high amount of reflective ice. Saturn's rings are more than just beautiful. They are a natural laboratory. By studying them, scientists learn about planet formation, gravity, and motion, the behavior of particles in space. In many ways, they offer clues about how our solar system was born. In the vast darkness of space, Saturn shines as a symbol of beauty and mystery. Its rings, delicate, dynamic, and ever-changing, remind us that even in the emptiness of space, there is art, formed from ice and dust, shaped by gravity, and destined to fade away, a masterpiece of the universe. If you enjoyed this journey through the wonders of space, like the video, share it with others. Subscribe BrightMinds for more deep space explorations.